everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making a beautiful blue clear butterfly gloss, and you will need some lip gloss base, some glitter, some vitamin E oil, some butterflies, and everything that I use in this video I'll be sure to link in the description below, so no worries. Everything you need will be right in the description. Now we're going to add some vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil has lots of great benefits and it's great for lip gloss. And you're also going to need a lot of it with TKB Trading's lip gloss base because it's thick and you have to get the consistency that you like. So you're going to see me add lots of vitamin E oil to get that nice lip gloss consistency that I like. Now you're going to see me add some flavoring oil. This is from Get Suckered and it is Blue Hawaii scented and it smells amazing. It makes you feel like you're on an island somewhere where we wish we were, but we're quarantined and it's okay. But this smells so good. Now I'm going to add some blue food coloring. Now this is what gives the gloss that beautiful blue clear color, and I'm going to add 10 drops of this to the lip gloss base. So after mixing all of the food coloring in the lip gloss base, now I'm going to add these beautiful blue butterflies that I got from AliExpress. we are going to take this syringe that is 100 milliliters and we are going to suck this gloss up and get ready to fill our tube. Just take a second and look how beautiful this gloss is. Like, I absolutely love this gloss. So now we're going to wipe all that excess gloss that got on the perimeter of the syringe with a paper towel, because we are about to apply the pipette and we want to make sure that it's nice and clean. And we're also going to tape the pipette to the syringe. So this is a little trick and tip of how to get your wand tubes nice and extra glittery. You just pour a little bit of glitter inside of the wand tube, you shake it, and then pour the excess glitter back into the little glitter container so that you're not wasting any. So when you do begin to fill your wand tubes with gloss, please do not fill the gloss past that line, past my pink line on my container. Do not fill the gloss past that line, because if you do, the stopper and the wand stick itself will not fit inside the container. And that is how you make Aqua Blue Butterfly Gloss. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. Leave any questions in the comments below. And if you are interested in purchasing this gloss in particular, you can check it out at sexylexyinc.com. Thank you so much for your support, and don't forget to support a Black business.